Good morning, student. Today is the subject accountancy. We learn about chapter 4 general. Today's topic the rules of account. So let me start the topic. Actually, three types of account. First, personal account. Second, real account. Then third, nominal account. Actually, personal account is direct related to person and companies. Then real account is related to goods and assets. Then third, nominal account. Nominal account is direct related to expenses or losses and income or profit. So the first, personal account. The rules of this account. The rules of personal account. The receiver is debit and the giver is credit. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. Okay. Once again, personal account, receiver is debit and giver is credit. मतलब जो पर्सन है वो रिसीवर होगा तो हम उसको डेबिट करेंगे एंड पर्सन इज गिवर तो क्रेडिट करेंगे. देन सेकंड, रियल अकाउंट. डेबिट व्हाट कम्स इन बिजनेस, डेबिट व्हाट गोज आउट, क्रेडिट. देन थर्ड, नॉमिनल अकाउंट. All expenses and losses, debit. All income and profit, credit. Actually, three types of accounts rule. First, personal account. The receiver is debit and giver is credit. Second, real account. What comes to business is debit. What goes out, credit. Nominal account. All expenses and losses are debit and income and profit are credit. Personal account. Example, received amount 1000 to Ram. Received amount 1000 to Ram. Any transactions effected to accounts. Received amount, first cash account and then second, Ram. Actually, Ram is personal account and cash is real account. Ram is personal account. Ram is giver. Ram is giver because received amount to Ram. Ram is giver. Okay. And second, cash account. Cash is real account. Real account what comes, तो जो कैश है वो बिजनेस में आ रहा है तो कैश इज डेबिट. सो कैश इज डेबिट एंड कैश इज डेबिट टू राम. एक्चुअली राम इज गिवर. द नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, परचेज गुड्स. Purchase goods from Ravi. First effected account purchased and second Ravi. Actually, purchase is a real account and Ravi is a personal account. Purchase means real account. What comes in business? Goods comes in business. So purchase account is debit. Okay. Then third example, nominal account be related. Received commission. Received commission rupees 100. Commission is income. Commission is business income. So commission is credit. commission is credited. Commission received, first account cash, then second account is commission. कमीशन हमको नॉमिनल अकाउंट का एग्जाम्पल देना है, तो कमीशन इज इनकम, सो कमीशन इज क्रेडिट. एंड कैश इज रिलेटेड कैश इज रिलेटेड रियल अकाउंट, तो कैश इज कम्स, सो दिस ट्रांजेक्शन जनरल एंट्री कैश अकाउंट डेबिट टू कमीशन. ओके, तो टुडेज we will learn very important topic, the rules of general. Once again, the rules of general. First, personal account, the receiver is debit and giver is credit. Second, real account, what comes in business debit, what goes out credit. Then third, nominal account, all expenses and losses are debit, all income and profit are credit. Okay. X started business. X is a person. X is a personal account. X is represented account capital. First capital account, then second cash account. Cash account is real account and capital account is personal account. So what comes in business? Cash. Then receiver, then giver is X, represented that account capital. So this transactions general entries, cash account debit to capital account. Okay, thank you.